How to change Epic Games email without verification. Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can change Epic Games email without verification. So see through till the end. The first step is to log in into epicgames.com just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your account page, the home page, where you can see some options by the left side of the screen, such as store, distribution, support, Unreal Engine. And then by the time you scroll down, you'll see so many games that you can install on this account. So the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, where you can see some options like a web, and then the profile icon. So just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the account icon, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see writings or instructions such as my achievements, email, Epic rewards, Epic wallet, coupons, then account. Just go ahead and click on account. Once you click on account, the page would load, and then you'll be redirected to your account page. So once that's loaded, this is how the account page looked like, where you can now carry out account settings. Now, once you're on this account settings page, you'd see account information, you'd see your ID, you'll see display name, and then next to it, you'd see email address. So to change this email address, all you need to do is to click on this pencil icon. Now, once you click on it, a window will pop up on your screen showcasing a write-off that a security code verification will be required to make this change. You would not be able to change this email address again for 90 days after this change is saved to your account. Now, the next step is to input the email address here. Now, at this stage, I must let you know that there is no way you can change your email address without the verification. All right, you have to um type in or enter in a security code verification that will be sent to the new email address that you are trying to change on your account. All right, so ensure that you have access to this email address. Okay, the reason why it's like this is because it's to stop hackers, or to stop intruders from getting access to your account anyhow. All right, so that is the reason. So once you click on this pencil icon, input the email address, click on continue, a security code will be sent. If you hit it in, and then just like that, your email address will be changed. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.